What's up, guys? I'm Tim Bowman, leader of the Tim Bowman team with Key Realty here in Cincinnati, Ohio. Today I wanted to talk to you about something I was just having a conversation about, and I thought, what a great YouTube video to share with you, the newly licensed real estate agent in your state. With Chris and I were talking, and we were talking about how Chris can make extra income streams as he gets his license, which, congratulations, Chris. He's gonna be taking his test soon. Obviously joining the Tim Bowman team, as he's already a part of, but this time as a licensed realtor in Cincinnati. So let me just cover a few of these high notes that we were just discussing so that you can use them and potentially make some extra income while you're getting on your feet as a real estate agent. Go through the list, there are a few things to keep in mind. That there are certain laws that you have to abide by as a realtor. In our state, I know that if you're a licensed agent, you cannot pay another licensed agent directly. That will have to come from the broker themselves. So I would typically pay the broker, or the broker would take the money out of my income and directly pay the other realtor from them, and that's just because that's the way the law is set up. So things might change a little bit if you're a licensed person versus a non-licensed person working with real estate agents. So keep that in mind. Another thing is, certain things that we discussed, you personally may not have the skill set for this, and that's okay. We're just throwing some ideas out there. So let's just jump right into some of the brainstorming that Chris and I were just doing. So one of the first things that I think about, which is exactly what Chris has been doing for the Tim Bowman team for a while, is the guy behind the camera. You could be the person that works the camera. So if you have the skill set, and real estate agents are constantly looking to market themselves more and stay in touch with people that they've already done business with, while finding new people to do business with, and they tend to pay lots of money in order to just market to people to be able to find more clients and close more deals. So with that being said, there is an old adage that says you can make more money selling stuff to a real estate agent than you can actually being a real estate agent. I don't know that that's true anymore, but that is kind of what we were playing on here. Like, hey Chris, what can you do to add value to some real estate agents and while you're getting on your feet as a real estate agent yourself? So becoming a person who helps with content creation or being behind the camera is a big one. But to take that even further, you could potentially offer services like social media manager, where not only are you helping with content and stuff, but you're posting the posts and editing the videos and doing everything that comes along with running their social media for them. So there are some people that aren't that savvy with social media. They would pay big money to someone out there. I mean, there's an entire industry for this, for crying out loud. But imagine if you had some superior knowledge of real estate in order to actually hone in on exactly the niche that the real estate agent was looking to fulfill there. That'd be a great idea. So another option would be sticking with the cameras. You don't have to be licensed for this, so if you have the skill set, go out and take the listing photos. I know that it seems like everything that goes up for sale is just flying off the shelves right now, but it's really important to have a good presence online for people to get out of their recliner, put on take off their pajama pants and put on some jeans and actually get out of their house and go see a house, right? You've got to have good photographs for them to see on their phone before they're even going to want to come out of the house to come see it in person. So if you have the ability to take pictures, go offer the service to agents to take their listing photos, especially if you have a drone that does really good photos. And again, more laws, you might have to be licensed to fly the drone where you're at. Check your local laws, but if you can get aerial photography and do 3D scans of these homes and put them up on 3D tours like Zillow or wherever that may work for you, agents pay money for that. They would totally pay to not have to do that, especially top producing agents who are too busy, even if they have the ability, which I could totally take my own listing photos. I'm too busy to take my own listing photos, so I pay to have my listing photos taken. So, which is awesome. Let's move on to another one. So as a licensed real estate agent, you can join a team. And the whole goal here is just to get up on your own feet so that you're self-sustaining, you have your own clientele, you're getting your own business and your own leads, and you're really, kind of spreading your wings and learning how to fly on your own. But while you're crawling, hoping that one day you can learn how to walk and eventually run, you could join a real estate team. Joining the team, you're gonna learn so much. And while on the team, you have several, depending on how big the team is, several different real estate agents you have access to that you could use your license to assist them. Again, you can't be paid directly from another real estate agent in our state, but you could hold open houses for them. You could do things for them like put out their signs and pick up their lock boxes and all kinds of things, right? So just get creative in adding value. So if you flip the perspective of how can I add value to the real estate agent, how can I use my license to do things for them to help them make more money, which in turn will help me make some money, then you can get really creative and come up with a lot of ideas. So that's definitely a great one, joining the team, and you're gonna learn very quickly. You're gonna see a lot of things very fast, and you're asked to sit in and ask questions and sit in and just observe, and you're gonna definitely learn a lot more that way than going out and reinventing the wheel on your own. So another way to make money, let's take a look here, would be being the assistant, right? So being an assistant, real estate agents are spread so thin because we're always looking to learn how to run before we walk, right? So sometimes we don't always have the right processes in place to handle the amount of clients that, if we're super lucky, we take on before we realize we don't have the processes to handle this many people at once. So we're missing dinner with our family, and we're up all night long on DMs and Messenger, and we're putting out fires all the time. So just simply being a real estate assistant, there might be somebody out there that's already a realtor that would love to have somebody that's licensed to help them write their offers or schedule inspections or follow up on appraisals or touch base with the lenders. I mean, that would be considered being a transaction coordinator, but let's just take it one step further and just be open-minded to be the person who, hey, what do you need? Did you miss coffee this morning? Can I go get you coffee? Or, hey, did you remember to pick up your sign from the listing that we sold yesterday because it might still be in the yard? I can run and grab that for you. Hey, what about that offer? You got 3 or 6 showings today. Anybody wanted to write an offer? I could write that offer for you, and then you review it and you just shoot it on out to your clients and make sure they can review it and be happy. Just be an assistant. That would make whatever money, honestly, however much value you could add, you can make a ton of money doing that. So there's just a few things to help you earn some income while you're learning how to get on your own feet and get to your first commission check, or just get to the point where you can survive off of your own commission checks. So good luck to you. Congratulations on becoming a licensed real estate agent in your area. If you have any questions, reach out to us here in Cincinnati. We'd love to help you. A lot of this stuff translates throughout the country. So other than having some local laws, again, don't sue me, bro. I'm not a licensed lawyer or anything that can tell you what real estate law is where you're from. You're gonna have to do your own research. But these are just some ideas, and then do your research on them, take them out, put them into action. Hope you guys have a great week. Reach out to us if you need anything. See ya.